All right. Yesterday we said that there were 4 red apples and 4 green apples. What is underneath our square today? Take a look at all of our patterns. See if you can figure out what they're going to do next. Let me put this up close. Just so my friends at home can see it for a minute and try to make a prediction. What is going to happen next? We have lots of hands here at school raised. Milo, what do you think? You think you're going to add 1 more red apple and get 3 green? Awesome. June, what do you think?
The number is going to be 20.
You know the number is going to be 20. How do you know that?
Because after 19, it's 20.
After 19 is 20. Kendall, what do you think?
I think the picture is going to be 9 leaves total and none in the basket.
Ooh, why are you going to leaves?
And number 20. Because the pattern after apples comes leaves.
How do you know that leaves are next? How do you know there's not apples next?
Because I can see that there's 3.
Look at friends. 1, 2, 3.
And then there's 3 leaf patterns.
Okay, and then what about acorns? How many?
4.
4. How many
I
pumpkins?
noticed something.
Yeah.
What I noticed is they're going on each number that I keep adding 1 more number.
They keep adding 1 more number.
For 2 whole packs.
So how many leaves did you say there's going to be?
9.
And how many in the basket?
0.
All right, friends, let's take a look. You are a smart cookie, Miss Kendall. So she knew that we were going to go to leaves next because apples, on that chart, after apples comes leaves. So what are we going to write? So our date is 10-20. What's at the
20?
Yeah, because that's our year. What's at the top of our number tree? Adelie?
It would be 20.
Ooh, not quite. How many leaves? How many leaves all together? Gavin?
9.
9. So what are our 2 partners of 9? Henry?
10 and 20.
Ooh, not quite. What are our 2 partners of 9? How many leaves outside of the basket? How many inside? Do you want to try again, buddy? How many?
9 and 0.
Good, and what's our math equation then?
9 plus 0 equals 9.
Good. Can I write my math equation like this? Take a close look at that. My friends at home, I will show you up close. I want to know if this is okay to do. Yep, so that's why we're sitting safe. Is this okay to do? Take a look, my friends, here at school. Thumbs up if you think that's all right. Thumbs down if that's not a math equation. I have a mixed group.
Oh my god.
Kendall, why do you think that's okay?
Because you're still saying the right equation.
You're still saying the same thing. You were right, Kendall. So listen to how I say it. 9 plus 0 equals 9. Or 9 equals 9 plus 0. That's the same thing. So it should be a thumbs up.
You just say it something. I did it down and then put it back up.
All right, friends. Help me change the date. Yesterday was the 19th. What's today? Ooh, with a raise of a hand. Adelie?
Today's going to be the 19th.
Ooh, yesterday was 19. So what's today? 20. Yep.
Skip 10. Yeah.
So it's 10-20-20 because October 20th, 2020.
It's kind of funny
Ooh,
that it's
raise your
2:20.
hand. Yes, Kendall.
It's kind of funny that it's 2:20.
It is. I want to know what our day is. What day of the week is it? Look on our calendar. What's today? Henry?
35.
Oh, if you're talking days in school, we're going to get to that. But what's our day of the week? Here's our days of the week. What's today? Gavin? Oh, that's our month. What's our day? June? Today is Tuesday. So say that with me. Today is Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. Henry, tell us our days in school.
35.
How did you figure that out?
Yesterday was the 34th.
Yesterday was 34, so you know it's 35. Who figured it out a different way? Gavin, what did you do?
I knew there's 20, and then I knew there's 35.
Oh, so if there's 20, you still need how many more?
10, and then I knew there's 5 more.
Good. Then another 10 plus 5, and that equals 35. Who figured it out a different way? Italy.
I didn't even know that we were
Kendall.
doing this. All I said is that it was 14, so then it would be 13. No, 14. 14, then it would be 15,
Do you see that, friends? Look at here.
35.
So we know that this is a group of 5. So she said that would have been, it was 14, then 15, and 20 more. Just like what Gavin did. Henry, what did you do?
50. 50 minus.
So 50 minus how many? So this would be 50, half of this, right?
Yep.
How many would you subtract to get to where we're at? How many empty squares are there? 15, right? You said that. Do you see that, friends? That is some really, really good math. So Henry did a subtraction problem. He said, let's look at half of this chart. We know that half of that chart is what? 50. And look at how many empty squares there are. There's a group of 10 and 5. So we know that's 15. 50? Take away 15 is 35. That is some good math. Does anyone have another math equation? Let's do one more. Gavin?
10, 20, 30, 5.
10, 20, 30 plus 5.
Equals 35.
So count with me. 10, 20, 30, 35. What is the group of 10 called again? We have 2 names for it. Who knows? Mila. A bundle or Adelie?
A bundle or a decade.
Decade. Good. So we're going to go back to our spinner. We haven't done our pattern blocks in a while. So remember, we have numbers 3, 4, and 5. Take a look. Show me with your fingers what I landed on. Good. So I'm going to grab my magic bag. Grab out some blocks.
We can't use the rhombuses.
What shape is it? Someone raise their hand and tell me what shape is our red one. Adelie?
It is a
Is it a triangle, trapezoid, rhombus, or hexagon? Ooh, not quite. June?
trapezoid.
It is a trapezoid, so I'm going to put that on trapezoid.
Another.
Adelie, what shape is this?
It's a.
Sure.
It is a trapezoid.
Trapezoid, another trapezoid.
Don't take another trapezoid again.
Show me with your fingers how many more shapes I need to grab out of my bag.
One more.
Kendall, what shape?
Triangle.
Sit safe, please. Triangle. You are correct. Here's what we're going to do. We need to count our week 2. So week 1, I counted there were 7 in there. Let's go to week 2. There's lots of shapes. So you're going to have to help me. Are you ready to help me? Okay, let's start with our hexagons. We have 1. Come with me. 2, 3, 4. 4 hexagons. Let's go to our trapezoids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to our rhombus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many triangles?
2.
2. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change our shapes. Hopefully my friends at home can see it. So triangles, how many?
2.
2. How many trapezoids?
5.
5. How many rhombus?
5.
5. How many hexagons?
4.
4. Okay, so your job is to figure out how many all together. Look up here. We have 2 triangles, 5 trapezoids, 5 rhombus, and 4 hexagons. How many all together? I'm going to give you 1 minute to think about that. What are you going to do to help you?
I got it.
Oops. I'm going to ask in a minute. Seeing lots of friends use their fingers. I'm having friends think about the numbers that they see that look familiar. We have a 2, a 5, a 5, and a 4. Kendall? How many all together? Henry,
16.
how did you figure that out, buddy?
I started with the triangles and worked my way up to
So show me what you did. So you started with triangles and you put 2 in your brain. And then what did you do?
I counted.
So then you went to trapezoids? And what's 2 and 5? 7. And then you went to 5 more and 4? Good. Who did it a different way? Mrs. Owen used a different strategy. So I'm wondering if anyone else did. Kendall, how did you get 16?
In my brain, what I did was, I knew that 5 plus 5 equals 10, and then I was like 14, and then I knew 2. So if I add 1 more, it would be 15, but if I add another one, it would be 16.
That is exactly what I did, friends. Look at that. We know that 5 and 5 more is what? What's 5 and 5? 10. And then Kendall took the bigger number, so she knows that 10 and 4 is 14, and 2 more is 15, 16, right? So use what you know. It makes it really quick to figure that out. Good job, my friends. Tiptoe back to your desk.